Hey everyone, first I want to apologize for sounding like a man and for coughing because I'm getting a sinus infection. I wanted to share with y'all how to use your new Google Drive and access your lesson plans and the shared folder that Miss Taylor is going to be sharing with y'all. You have received 2 emails from me or from Miss Taylor, one with your folder and then one explaining how to use everything. Here will be the link to this video that I'm recording now. Here is the link for the Fine Arts lesson plans, and here is the link for the Classroom Teacher lesson plans. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need to do before you even open either of these is make sure that you are signed in to your Google account. If you are not signed in as you, so if I click the plus sign and I don't see my name here, then I know I'm not signed in. You're going to click your face or click the little man up here, and you're going to go to Manage People and sign into your account that you've already created. Some of you had created a Google account for your classroom, which is what I have. I've had it for years. If you notice, it says twaresclassroom@gmail. Some of you used your school account and created a Gmail that way, and that's perfectly fine. You'll just sign in using that information. The next thing you're going to do now that you're signed in is go back to your email and click on the invitation for your folder that you received. You're going to click Open, and it's going to bring you to the folder itself, and you're going to notice you and your teammates' folders in there. You have access to everyone's folders. If at any time Miss Taylor decides that she only wants to give you access to your personal folder, then I will show her how to give you rights to only your folder. But for now, she said she wanted you guys to have access to the team folder. You're going to find that if you click My Drive, this is where you're normally going to come into your Google Drive. And you need to find that shared folder. It is under Shared with Me. It is actually Miss Taylor's folder. She has shared it with you, and here's the folder right here. There it is again. Okay, so now you've added that folder to your Google Drive. You can go back to your email and you can click on your lesson plan email that I've sent you. You're going to copy your lesson plan link, and all you have to do is highlight it and do Control-C, and that will copy it. Control-C. You're going to come up here, you're going to put your cursor in the address bar, and you're going to do Control-V, and that will paste it in there. And it prompts you to make a copy, so you're going to click Make a Copy. And here's your copy. Now what I want you to do, this is your copy, it's nobody else's. I want you to first come up here and click inside the name bubble, and I want you to take out where it says Copy Of, and then click off of it. This is not what you're going to edit. Again, do not edit this. This is your master copy. If you edit this, you're going to end up later on writing over any information that you need. So now, how do you get back to your Google Drive? There are 2 ways. You can open up a new bar, go to your waffle. Yes, I said waffle. You're going to find Google Drive in the app drawer. And now you're at your Google Drive. This is your Google dashboard. Notice here's that copy that I just sent you, that you made a copy of. Alright, or you can also, when you open this up, you can click on Document Home. The 3 tabs right here is the main menu bar. Go down to Google Drive, and here we are back at your drive again. Now, the only thing you've done so far is accept the rights to your folder that Miss Taylor shared with you and make yourself a master copy of the lesson plan format. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is right click and select New Folder. Title it Lesson Plans. Or whatever you want. I just do lesson plans. And now every week, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on this, right click, and do Make a Copy. There is my copy. Now you're going to go into your copy and you're going to rename it. And this time you're going to name it the date. So if I'm starting my lesson plans for March the 4th, I'm going to label it March 4th, 2019. Or you could do 03, 04, 19, however you want to label it. Okay? Click OK. And now take this copy and drag it to your lesson plan folder. That way, this is your master copy that you always have to make a copy from. Double click. Double click. Notice this is your lesson plan format for this week. You're going to want to type your name in case Miss Taylor needs to print it, or in case for whatever reason it gets printed and she doesn't know whose it is. You need to type your name. Oh my gosh, I can't even spell my name. Your grade level, and again the date, in whatever format you choose. And then you're going to begin filling in your lesson plan. Okay? I don't teach Letterland or phonics or ELA for that matter. So for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to delete those 3 rows. This is guided reading. I don't teach that. I'm going to delete the row. And delete the row again. Okay? I don't need this either. Alright, now I'm here with math. This is me. So I'm going to delete this last row right here. Oh crud, I didn't mean to do that. So I need to undo and delete the table. Okay. Now I can begin inserting my lesson plans. I need my RTI. I do not need science and health or science and social studies. So I'm going to delete those 2 rows and I'm going to delete health. Praise Jesus, hallelujah. Okay. Delete that. Now, I'm done with what I need to be deleting and I have just what I need. And now I can get started filling in my lesson plans. Okay? It saves automatically. All changes have been saved in the drive. It'll tell you that because as you type, you'll notice it might change. It saves it automatically every few seconds. Okay, so you're done with your lesson plans and you need to turn them into Miss Taylor. What you're going to do is you're going to go to File and you're going to make a copy and you're going to go to Folder. Back out of all the folders that it's in. Here you are at your regular drive. Go to Share with Me. Click your grade level or team folder. Click on your name. And you're going to select this folder. Okay? Now, because this is me and this kind of stuff irks me, I'm going to delete that off of there. And I'm going to click OK. It automatically opens up that document within that folder. That's why it opened up a whole new thing. Let me show you this again. If I'm finished with my lesson plans, I'm going to go to File, go to Make a Copy. I'm going to tell it to save in the shared folder. So I'm back all the way out. Shared with Me. Pick your team or grade level. Choose your name. Select that folder. Change your name, keep your name, it doesn't matter. Click OK. And now Miss Taylor has it. You can check it to be sure by going back to your Google Drive, going to the Shared With Me folder, your grade level, your name, and there is your document for Miss Taylor. This is why it's important to make sure that you make your copy for each week so that the date is there. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask myself, or I know Ms. Trevalier has a good understanding of how to use Google Drive, and Ms. Mobley has a great understanding of how to use Google Drive. And I hope this helps.